Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payoneer.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. You have here various information about Payoneer and how it works. For example, here we have freelancers and how you can get paid, manage business, make payment. Also, we have business here, and we have marketplace, and here we have signing up. So Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So to get started, all you have to do is click over sign in. Once you do that, you will find this page. You choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. I am a freelancer or SMB, then all or online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual. Then we have here sign up. To get started, you have just to write your first name, your last name, your email address, and confirm your email address. Then you write your date of birthday. Then you will find this page and you click over register. We have here paid by Lily Marketplace, including a profile for Giphy images and more. Get paid by your global clients, withdraw your earnings to your local bank account and load rates. Then you have withdraw funds at FEMS, pay your support and subcontractors for free. Then you click over register and you'll find a page which is like that. We have here 4 steps. The first one, get started. Then we have contact details. So here you have, is your business registered with any government, business licensing, or tax authority? We have here, no, my business isn't registered. If is it, and then you like your personal information like your first name, last name, email address, and you confirm your email address and then your date of birth. Then we have here contact details. Please fill in the fields in English characters only, providing a complete and accurate address space up your account approval. You choose your country, then your street and number, then you write your number, and then you verify your code on your phone number. Then you will find other page. Here we have, you write your email address or your username, then your password, then you confirm your password, security question and security answer. Then we have also here entering the country of ID, then we have a national ID and ID number, and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page. Please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to your company. So we choose the bank country, currency, Turk bank name, account holder name, also account number, SWIFT and PEC here, and you click over here to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy. Then you have agreed to the pricing and fees. Once you do that, you will find this page. When here we have, congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. We have firstly here, we are now in step 2 of the application process. First of all, application, and we have completed, review in process, and then we have received payments. Once you do that, you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and your password and you get started with Payoneer. Once you do that, you will find the home page, as you can see. So this is it. We have here home, So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easy withdrawals. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts, which support multiple currencies to enhance your experiences. Consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So the first here we have withdraw and transfer, and as you can see you have your convert currencies. If you want to learn more, you have transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. Then we have here accounts activity like transactions, payment requests sent, monthly statement, transaction reports, and then we have bank accounts here. As you can see, then we have your business networking, companies you work with, business application, and connect apps also. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transaction. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace, embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So we have just to get started with Payoneer.com by just diving in Payoneer.com and you'll find those things. You have just to sign up as soon as possible and you link your personal information, then you get started with the home page, and it's very helpful and useful to use it because Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows also businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can opt in also a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. So this is it for this video, guys.